Hi, my dear students. Welcome to India's biggest online platform, Manifold Institute GATE classes. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, hydrostatic forces on surfaces. In this session, we can discuss some problems based on hydrostatic forces on surfaces. Let's start the session. See here. They are asking you to determine the horizontal and vertical hydrostatic forces Fx and Fy on the semicircular gate having a width W into the plane of figure. Okay, so they are asking you to determine Fx and Fy on the curved surface. Now we need to determine hydrostatic pressure force acting on the curved surface. Okay, so you need to write in terms of rho gh r and width of the gate. Okay, so let's start solving this problem. Here, to determine horizontal force acting on the curved surface, we need to project the curved surface horizontally. You always get a rectangular cross section. Here B is the, not B, width of the gate is given. W is the width of the gate. W is width of the gate and D is diameter of the semicircular gate. Okay, so now we need to determine horizontal force or hydrostatic pressure force acting in X direction. So what is the magnitude? What is the magnitude of FH? Tell me. Rho G into AH bar. Okay, that is the horizontal force acting on the curved surface. Here, what is A? What is A? Width of the gate into diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 times R into width of the gate W. 2 times R into W. W is the width of the gate. R is radius of the semicircular gate. Okay, so now what is H bar? How to determine H bar? Distance measured from the free surface to center of gravity of curved gate. Okay, that is nothing but H bar equal to H. That is given in the question. H bar equal to H is given in the question. Now see here, rho G into what is A? 2 times R into W, 2 times R into W. H bar is nothing but H is equivalent to 2 times rho GH, rho GH into RW. That is horizontal force or hydrostatic pressure force acting in X direction. Hydrostatic pressure force acting in X direction, FH. What is FH here? Tell me. What is FH finally? FH equal to 2 times rho GH into RW. RW. Okay? Now we need to determine hydrostatic pressure force acting on curved surface in Y direction. Okay, so here to determine FV, vertical force, we need to, we are having two vertical forces. Okay, now in this case, some fluid present above the curved surface. Because of that, weight of the fluid acting on the curved surface. Here some fluid present below the curved surface. Because of that, some buoyancy force will be acting on the curved surface. We need to determine net effect. Okay, now net vertical force acting on the curved surface. So first we can determine FV. FV1 is nothing but weight of the fluid above the curved surface. Okay, now so for that we need to project the area from the free surface to curved surface. Total area you will be getting. This area is nothing but A. This area is A star, you can say. A star, you can say. Okay, na? Total area above the curved surface. Okay, na? To determine volume of the fluid present above the curved surface. Okay, so here what is Fe1? Weight of the fluid, weight of the fluid, weight of the fluid above the curved surface, weight of the fluid above the curved surface. How to determine weight of the fluid above the curved surface? Tell me. Here, density of the fluid into volume of the fluid, volume of the fluid above the curved surface, above the curved surface. Okay, so weight of the fluid, na, that is why it is acting downward direction. Fe1 is acting downward direction into density into volume is nothing but mass into G. Okay, how to determine this? Tell me. Density into tell me, what is the volume of the fluid above the curved surface? Okay, so area is nothing but, how to calculate the area in this case? You need to project the area from free surface to curved surface. That is A star into width of the gate into G. That is the volume of the fluid present above the curved surface. Now tell me, what is Fv1? Here, what is Fv1? Equivalents to rho into here G, rho G W into A star, rho G W into A star. Now coming to the force acting on curved surface in y direction, we are having one more vertical force acting on the curved surface, that is Fv2. So this is so-called buoyancy force because fluid present below the curved surface, whatever the fluid present below the curved surface, okay, na? So, it exerts some buoyancy force on the curved surface. How to determine Fe2? This is nothing but weight of the fluid displaced due to curved surface. Here it is nothing but weight of the fluid displaced. Weight of the fluid displaced. This is so-called buoyancy. How to determine weight of the fluid displaced? Rho into volume of the fluid displaced. Volume of the fluid displaced into G is equivalent to rho. How to determine volume of the fluid displaced? For that, we need to project the area from the curved surface to free surface. Okay, Fe2 means from the curved surface to free surface. Total area you will be getting. Total area you will be getting. So we already seen this is A star. Here this will be A. Here A is equal to area of the semicircular gate. Okay, so total volume is nothing but A plus A star into width of the gate. Here A plus A star into width of the gate into G. That is Fv2. Now tell me, what is the net force? Net vertical force acting on the curved surface. That is nothing but Fv is equivalent to Fv2 minus Fv1 is equivalent to, tell me, what is Fv2? Rho, here what you will get? Rho Wg, rho G into W, A plus A star. Okay, so minus rho G into W into A star, Fv1. Finally, Fv equivalent to, Fe is nothing but Fy. Fv is nothing but, tell me, rho G into W, here A. Finally, you will be getting area A. So rho g into W into pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Clear na? Correct? So Fv or else Fy. Here Fy. Rho g or else here, what is the expression given in the question? So here pi times rho g W into r square by 2. ठीक है? Pi times rho g W r square by 2. Clear na? Just have a look on the options, then you can understand. See here, this is Fy. Clear? So what is Fh? Fh equal to Fx Fv equivalents to Fy. Just now we determined Fy. What is Fy? Pi times rho g W r square by 2. Pi times rho g W. Pi times rho g W r square by 2. Okay? R square by 2. So Fx is how much? What is Fx? 2 times rho g h r W. 2 times rho g h r times W. 2 times rho g h r times W. Pi rho g W r square by 2. Those all expressions. Clear na?